You probably did it this morning. Reached for that familiar tube, squeezed a little dollop onto your brush, then you got to work, scrubbing away. It's a simple ritual, this toothbrushing. Twice a day for most of us, hopefully. We hardly even think about it. It's just something we do, like breathing, but pause for a moment. Have you ever truly wondered about that paste? That minty, foamy stuff that cleans your teeth? What exactly is in it anyway? And how does it get from a collection of powders and liquids into that neat stripy ribbon on your toothbrush? The journey is more fascinating than you might imagine. Millions of tubes, all over the world, in bathrooms from Boston to Bangkok, all filled with remarkably similar stuff. Prepare to be mildly astonished by your toothpaste. If you thought toothpaste was just mint and magic, think again. It's a carefully crafted chemical concoction. Each ingredient has a very specific job to do. Without this precise balance, it just wouldn't work. Your teeth wouldn't get clean, or the paste might be too runny or too hard. So, let's look at the main players in this recipe. First up we have abrasives. Then there's fluoride, the champion cavity fighter. Humectants are in there to keep it moist. Binders hold everything together like glue. Detergents make it foam up nicely. And what about that lovely taste and smell? That comes from flavors and sweeteners. Peppermint is a classic, of course. Coloring agents give it those appealing stripes or hues. Preservatives are also crucial, keeping it fresh. Modern toothpaste is a marvel of formulation science. Let's talk more about those abrasives. They are truly the unsung heroes of toothpaste. Think of them as very fine sandpaper, but much, much gentler, of course. Their main task is to remove dental plaque, that sticky film of bacteria that forms on your teeth. They also help to polish away surface stains, from things like coffee, tea, or red wine. Common ones include calcium carbonate, which is essentially a form of chalk. Hydrated silica is another popular choice. It's a bit like very fine, purified sand. The trick is to be abrasive enough to clean, but not so abrasive that they damage your tooth enamel. Enamel is the hard, protective outer layer of your teeth. Scientists spend a lot of time testing. They measure something called the RDA value, polishing your pearly whites to perfection. Now let's turn our attention to fluoride. This ingredient is a real superstar in dental health. It's often highlighted on the toothpaste box, and for good reason. Fluoride plays a crucial role in preventing tooth decay, those dreaded cavities that nobody wants. It works in a couple of clever ways to keep your teeth strong and healthy. It's like a tiny invisible shield for your smile. One way fluoride helps is by strengthening enamel when your teeth are exposed to acids. From sugary foods or bacteria, for example, they start to lose minerals, a process called demineralization. Fluoride helps to remineralize the enamel, making it harder and more resistant to acid attacks. Fluoride also has an effect on those pesky bacteria. It can inhibit their metabolism, so it fights decay on two fronts. Quite a clever little molecule, isn't it? Section 5, the supporting cast, humectants, binders, and suds. In this section, we delve into the unsung heroes of your daily brushing routine. While abrasives and fluoride are star players, they need support. These supporting ingredients ensure that your toothpaste is effective, stable, and pleasant to use. This is where humectants, binders, and detergents come in. Let's start with humectants, the moisture keepers. Their job is to prevent the toothpaste from drying out. Without them, your toothpaste would become a hard, unusable lump. Humectants like glycerol, sorbitol, or propylene glycol trap water in the paste, keeping it smooth and squeezable. They ensure that every time you squeeze the tube, you get a consistent, easy-to-apply product. Then we have binders, also known as thickeners. These are crucial for maintaining the structure of the toothpaste. These ingredients give toothpaste its body and consistency. Without binders, toothpaste would be too runny and difficult to manage. Common binders include natural gums like carrageenan or xanthan gum, or synthetic celluloses like carboxymethylcellulose. These substances ensure that the paste holds together well, providing a uniform texture. And who doesn't love a good lather? That satisfying foam is more than just for show. That foamy action comes from detergents, also known as surfactants. They play a key role in the cleaning process. The most common one you'll see is sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS. This ingredient is responsible for the bubbles and foam that help to distribute the toothpaste evenly. Detergents help to loosen plaque and debris and allow the toothpaste to spread more easily around your mouth. They enhance the overall cleaning power of the toothpaste. These ingredients might not sound glamorous, but they are essential for the toothpaste we know and use. Each one plays a specific role in ensuring that your toothpaste is effective and enjoyable to use. A symphony of chemicals working together just to make your brushing experience effective and pleasant. Next time you brush your teeth, remember the complex science and careful formulation that goes into every tube. Section 6. Making it minty and more, flavors, sweeteners, colors, and preservers. Now for the fun part, taste, smell, and appearance. These qualities are incredibly important. After all, you're putting this stuff in your mouth, twice a day, every day. So it better be reasonably pleasant. Flavoring agents are key here. Peppermint, spearmint, and wintergreen are classics. They provide that fresh, clean feeling we associate with toothpaste. But the world of toothpaste flavors is surprisingly diverse. Sweeteners are also added, but not sugar, oh no. That would rather defeat the purpose, wouldn't it? Instead, non-karyogenic sweeteners like saccharin, sorbitol, or xylitol are used. Coloring agents make the paste look appealing. Titanium dioxide is often used to make it white and opaque. Finally, we have preservatives, ensuring your toothpaste remains effective and hygienic. Section 7. The big mix-up: crafting the perfect paste. In this section, we delve into the fascinating process of how everyday toothpaste is made on an industrial scale. So, we have all our ingredients. Each one plays a crucial role in the final product. Piles of powders, vats of liquids. These raw materials are the building blocks of our toothpaste. How do they all come together to make toothpaste? It's a meticulous process that requires precision and care. It's a bit like baking on a massive scale. Imagine making a cake, but instead of a kitchen, you're in a factory, but with much more precise machinery. These machines ensure that every batch meets strict quality standards. And very strict hygiene rules, of course. Cleanliness is paramount to ensure the product is safe for consumers. The process usually starts in a large mixing vessel. This is where the magic begins. Often made of shiny stainless steel. These vessels are designed to prevent contamination and maintain purity. The order in which ingredients are added is crucial. Each step must be followed precisely. Typically, the liquid components go in first. This helps to create a smooth base for the other ingredients. Things like water, humectants, and sorbitol. These ingredients help to keep the toothpaste moist and prevent it from drying out. Then the binders are slowly added and mixed. Binders help to give the toothpaste its texture and consistency. This creates a smooth, consistent base. It's essential for the final product to be uniform. Next come the abrasives, fluoride, and any other active ingredients. These are what make the toothpaste effective in cleaning and protecting teeth. High shear mixers are often used for this stage. They ensure that all ingredients are thoroughly combined. They create a homogeneous mixture, meaning it's the same all the way through. Consistency is key to ensuring every tube of toothpaste works as intended. Towards the end of the mixing process, some delicate ingredients are added. These might include flavors or special additives that need gentle handling. Once the mixing is complete, the batch of toothpaste is ready. It's now prepared for packaging and distribution, ensuring it reaches consumers in perfect condition. Section 8. Quality checks and balances. Is it good enough? Before a single tube of toothpaste hits the shelves, it's tested, and then tested again. Quality control is a very serious business in toothpaste manufacturing. Companies like Colgate and others have strict standards. They need to ensure every batch is safe and effective, and consistent with what consumers expect. This involves a battery of scientific tests, conducted in sophisticated on-site laboratories. Technicians will take samples from each batch. They test for things like pH level. This ensures the toothpaste isn't too acidic or too alkaline. Viscosity or thickness is carefully measured. Fluoride concentration is also meticulously checked. Microbial safety is another huge priority. Samples are tested to make sure there are no harmful bacteria. The appearance and color are also assessed. Only when a batch passes all these checks is it approved for packaging. Section 9. From factory to you, the tube's tale and a final thought. This is the journey of how toothpaste makes its way from the factory floor to your bathroom shelf. Once the toothpaste gets the green light, it's ready for its tube. This is a critical step in ensuring the product remains fresh and effective until it reaches you. This is where high-speed automated machines take over. These machines are designed to handle the process with incredible efficiency and accuracy. Empty tubes, often made of plastic or laminate, arrive at the factory. These materials are chosen for their durability and ability to keep the toothpaste fresh. They are fed into filling machines. These machines are calibrated to ensure each tube receives the exact amount of toothpaste needed, which precisely dose the correct amount of toothpaste into each one. This precision is crucial to maintain consistency across all products. It's a marvel of speed and precision. The entire process is streamlined to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. Thousands of tubes can be filled every hour. This high output ensures that there is always enough supply to meet the demand. After filling, the tubes are sealed. This step is vital to prevent any contamination and to keep the toothpaste fresh, usually using heat or ultrasonic welding for plastic tubes. These methods create a strong, airtight seal, or crimping for older-style metal tubes. This traditional method is still used for certain types of toothpaste. Then, they are labeled and often put into individual cartons. The labeling process ensures that all necessary information is clearly displayed. These cartons are then packed into larger cases. This step prepares the product for distribution, ready for shipping to warehouses and then to shops. From there, it makes its way to your local store, ready for you to purchase. It's interesting to think how far toothpaste has come. The journey from ancient remedies to modern formulations is truly fascinating. Ancient Egyptians used a paste of rock salt, mint, iris flower, and pepper. This early form of toothpaste was quite different from what we use today. Romans and Greeks used crushed bones and oyster shells. These ingredients were believed to help clean teeth and freshen breath. Modern production is a world away from those early efforts. Today's toothpaste is the result of years of research and technological advancements, ensuring your smile stays bright and healthy, one brush at a time. So next time you brush your teeth, remember the incredible journey your toothpaste has taken to get to you.